We usually search for peace in relationships, success, and even in the distractions that we create. But sometimes, no matter how much we do, something feels incomplete. The missing piece? It's introspection. The quiet act of looking within, asking yourself the questions which you often avoid. Through introspection, you uncover patterns, you let go of burdens, and you find clarity. And with that clarity, peace falls naturally into place. When you take the time to look inward, you discover that peace isn't out there, it's waiting within you all along. Introspection is the missing piece in the jigsaw of peace.